Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Oppo Reno 15 Pro and the Oppo Reno 14 Pro. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Starting with the cameras, the Oppo Reno 15 Pro comes with a 200 megapixel main sensor, while the Oppo Reno 14 Pro packs a 50 megapixel main camera. Moving on, both the Reno 15 Pro and Reno 14 Pro offer a 50 megapixel telephoto and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens. For video, both phones shoot 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second. The Reno 15 Pro adds 240 frames per second in 1080p, while the Reno 14 Pro goes up to 120 frames per second. Both the Reno 15 Pro and Reno 14 Pro run on the same Dimensity 8450 chipset. Here, both phones feature an octa-core setup running at 3.25 GHz. So in terms of CPU power, there's no difference. Performance is the same. The GPU is Mali G720MC7 on both Reno 15 Pro and Reno 14 Pro. The Reno 15 Pro has a 6.78-inch display, while the Reno 14 Pro is slightly larger at 6.83 inches. The Reno 15 Pro uses LTPO AMOLED, while the Reno 14 Pro has a regular AMOLED panel. The Reno 15 Pro comes with 1272 by 2772 pixels, while the Reno 14 Pro offers 1272 by 2800 pixels. Both phones support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Reno 15 Pro reaches up to 3,600 nits, while the Reno 14 Pro goes up to 1,200 nits. Both phones come with Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Each phone offers 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. The Reno 15 Pro offers storage up to 1 terabyte, while the Reno 14 Pro goes up to 512 gigabytes. Neither phone supports a memory card slot. Up front, both phones feature a 50 megapixel selfie camera. For selfie video, both shoot 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. The Reno 15 Pro has a 6,500 mAh battery, while the Reno 14 Pro includes a 6,200 mAh unit. Charging is 80 watts on both phones. Both phones feature a glass back and aluminum frame. The Reno 15 Pro is slightly shorter and narrower, while the Reno 14 Pro is a bit taller. The Reno 15 Pro weighs 205 grams, while the Reno 14 Pro comes in at 201 grams. Both phones include stereo speakers. Neither phone includes a headphone jack. Both have under-display optical fingerprint sensors. Both models come with accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Both the Reno 15 Pro and Reno 14 Pro support 5G networks. Both phones offer the same Wi-Fi 802.11 connectivity. And finally, both phones include NFC support. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.